Hi, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, I'll guide you through drafting the Canteen crossbody bag pattern using Claw 3D. This is a Canteen bag construction where the gusset goes all around the body piece. In this type of design, you always start by drawing the body shape first. Next step, foundation pattern creation. In the 2D window, start drafting your pattern by drawing a rectangle that defines the working area. Inside this rectangle, draw an ellipse that measures 180 millimeters along the inner line. This will form the main body shape. Then vertically bisect the ellipse by drawing a line through the center to establish the diameter line. This helps define symmetry and placement for the next steps. Reference point addition. On the diameter line of the circle, measure and mark a point approximately 13 to 15 millimeters above the horizontal midpoint. This point corresponds to the height of the bottom gusset, which is 103 millimeters, and indicate where the gusset will connect to the body of the bag. While the gusset should not start at the center of the circle, in rounded body shapes, avoid starting the gusset at the exact horizontal center. Instead, begin the gusset slightly above the midpoint, ideally at the same level as the shoulder strap attachment. This prevents the bag from leaning or tipping forward instead of hanging straight, and helps maintain a clean, balanced silhouette when carried. Gusset dimensions. Now let's define the dimension for the side gusset. Set the upper gusset width to 44 millimeters and the lower gusset width to 60 millimeters. Based on the reference image on your concept sketch, this gentle taper creates a clean structure side panel, while the wider base provides a stable foundation for the Canteen bag's rounded body. These dimensions also ensure visual balance and function depth when the bag is viewed from the side. Handle tip formation. Begin by sketching one half of the handle tip according to your design. Then select the center vertical line of the handle and use the unfold function to create a symmetrical full handle shape.